Hi friends, welcome back to Wanderlust channel. In this video we are continuing our journey through some of the tourist places in Vagamon which I visited during my one-day tour. So let's get started. In the last video we have visited the Karishamala, Vagamon Lake, Sri Lakshmipura and so on. I will add links in the above cards and in description, so that if you haven't watched it you can watch it after this video. Now we are visiting Vagamon Meadows, which is also known as Barren Hills, is a collection of small meadows spread over a large area in Vagamon. It is one of the popular scenic places to visit in Vagamon during your Vagamon trip. It is located 4 kilometers away from Vagamon town. The entry fee for this place is 20 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for children's. The meadows are unique for their vastness and beauty. Here we can also find interlocked small ponds at the valley of several meadows. Here are some aerial views of the meadows. This is an enchanting place where we could see endless stretches of large mounds of grass laid out along a large stretch. In the monsoon season the meadows will be green. Now due to winter and summer it is in gray color. We can also see tea estates and estate bungalows nearby. There is zipline and other activities which can be availed by paying additional fees. If you like adventure activities, there is Vagamon Adventure Park which is 3 kilometers away from here. Here I am adding few pictures from my previous visits, so that you can view the greenery in the monsoon season. Our next stop is Pine Forest, which is 2.5 kilometers away from Vagamon Meadows. The entry fee is 10 rupees for adult. From the car parking area we need to walk for 5 minutes to reach the pine forest. We have to walk through a narrow passage to reach the spot. Lots of small shops on the way. During rainy season it can be tricky with slippery walk path, otherwise it is a good place for a long walk. This place is covered with tall pine trees. Most of the hill stations have pine forest. If you have visited one of them this is the same experience. If it is a first-time visit, then it will be a great experience. Now we are in Parunthumpara Hill View Point, which is 30 kilometers away from the Vagamon Meadows. Also known as Eagle Rock, Paruthumpara View Point is located in one of the beautiful mountaintop near Pyramid. The word Parunthu denotes eagle and Para denotes rock, and so it is called as Paruthumpara because of a large area around like an eagle. The viewpoint provides a spectacular 360-degree view of Pyramid Hills and the surrounding plains. On a sunny day, one can get the view of the Sabarimala forests in Periyar Tiger Reserve. There is no entry fees and there are several places where you can sit and relax. We reach here in the evening and able to witness a sunset in the clouds. On the way back we stopped at St. George CSI Church, which is a church under the Diocese of Church of South India, CSI, located in Pallikkunnu, Idukki. The church was built in 1869 by the British. The construction of the church was completed by Henry Baker Jr. and other plantation owners in 1862. Initially, only the British were allowed to worship. Mass and liturgy were conducted in English. After a few years, others were allowed to enter, and the rites were arranged in Malayalam and Tamil. The peculiarity of the church is that the corpse of a horse is also buried. J.D. Monroe's white horse named Downey rests here. There are also the tombstones of 34 foreigners here, including John Monroe, who was instrumental in planting tea in Munnar. We tried to find the tomb of the horse, but due to the low lights and no one to guide, we were not able to find it. My travel companion in this video is Amal Tom, who is a photographer. I will add his Insta link in the description, so that you can visit his profile if you like. I will add the Google Map links for the places specified here in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit like button if you like the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next.